Hi everyone, welcome back to Tinker Wonderland. This is Gloria and I have a new Dollar Tree haul to share with you guys. So if you are interested to this type of video with my sidekick here, Drake, just hang out with us and I will show you everything that I got from the Dollar Tree, guys. So here we go, guys. Here is my Dollar Tree haul for today. I have 3 bags of goodies here. So without further ado, let me show you the first bag. Let me start on this one. Okay, random items from this bag, guys. I got a duct tape by Toolbens Hardware, and it's like an iridescent color, like that. It's like a blue iridescent, super cute. Next, I also got a package of super heavy duty batteries. This is a AA batteries by E-Circuit. I get this one that has an 8-piece. It comes in 8 pieces count, and check out, guys. Even battery has a best before date of December 2021. So yeah. So if you reach that I mean, we have to consume our battery before the best before date, because if not, it will also not gonna work to any gadgets or anything that we need to use this. So yeah, we also have to check out that best before date. So that's the time that the battery is still good to use. So I pick up this one, the AA batteries that comes in 8 pieces, and I grab 3 pack of this. So I have that one. So here you go. I have 3 pack of this AA's batteries. So I have stock now. There you go. If you hear the plastic bag noise, that is my cat Drake again playing with the bags. So next item, I also pick up this garden dish by Floral Garden for another upcoming crafting project. How cute is that? I always love like a transparent things that I can use in everything that I wanted to. Okay, let's move on to the second bag. I am thinking of another DIY project, guys. So I bought, give me a second, I need to open the bag. So like I said, I am thinking of another DIY project. So I bought this what you call this thing? It's like a circle. I torn out the label right there. Well, this is the styrofoam that we usually use for making wreath. So I pick up this one for the upcoming DIY project, but I am not sure with the size that I need. So I also pick up this one that is like a wire. It's like a wire what you call this thing? Red form. There you go. This is also by Floral Garden, and it comes in 14 inches. So this is a little bigger with this than this styro rounded shape styrofoam. So I pick up this too, because I am not sure with the size of the project that I am gonna do again this weekend maybe. So yeah, I am thinking of another project, guys. So if you are interested in crafting videos, so just tune in on my channel, and I would love to share to you my project, every ideas that I can make in crafting. So just tune in on my channel if you are interested in crafting videos, like I said. So next thing on this bag, of course, another item for my upcoming project. I also pick up this ornament. This is the bow. Look at that, guys, how cute it is. I pick up the gold one. They also have silver, red, and green of this one. This is the Merry Big Christmas House. It's an ornament bow that has a silver beads in the middle. And I think it's made of plastic, guys, with it's made of plastic material with glitters on it. So yeah, how cool is that? And 3 bows for $1. That is a good deal. We always love good deals, right? So I need to pick up one of that. And then along with my, also was thinking for my upcoming project, I also pick up this glitter ribbon. I pick up this silver one, and this comes in 12 feet, and it says there, for crafts, gift bows, and scrapbooks. And this is also by Christmas House. And I was thinking this silver will go along with the gold ribbon, or the gold bow with the silver beads in the middle. So I pick up that one. And then I also grabbed this doorknob hanger, again for my upcoming project, and it's also by Christmas House. So I pick up this one that is Christmas tree. They also have a wreath, and I think it's a bell shape, and it also comes in different colors. They have silver, gold, and red at the Dollar Tree. So it has bell, 5-layered bell right here in a ribbon. So I found it cute, and I'm also thinking of this for my project. And then I also grabbed this bucket. It's a nice size bucket, so I pick up this one for organizing. I bought a small stapler right here. I pick up one of this card holder that is in black. They also have a different colors of this, different choices, but I just like the black color, so I pick up this one. I bought this Assured Vaporizing Chest Rub, and it comes in 4 ounces. I bought another can of this Angel of Mine Baby Room Air Freshener. I love the scent of this one, and this is a fresh and clean baby scent. I love this in my room, guys. It's a 3-in-1. It has the essential oil, odor neutralizer, and aromatherapy. So I pick up one of this to freshen up my room or my office. I bought one of these Assured colored bandages, and it comes in 30 counts. It's flexible. And the last thing from this haul, I also bought this aromatherapy, and this is the Energy. It says here richly scented candle, and it comes in mandarin and neroli. It's zesty and refreshing. And if you hear that noise, guys, that is my Drake right here going crazy with his toy. So that is my Dollar Tree haul for today, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I will also include some pictures along with this video. Those are the things that I saw at the store, which I didn't buy, but I thought it's new items on the store. So I just want to share it to you, and that's all for now. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe on this channel, Tinker Wonderland. And I have my Drake here. Look what he's doing. He's always making fun here, guys. So, yep, thanks again for watching. Have a good day and a good night. Bye for now. God bless everyone.